Hey guys, this is one of my first videos I've done, and I just want to show you my homemade erector set butterfly knife. I'll show you all the sides, the inside. I didn't actually use a blade because I just used this for practicing. So sorry about that. And I used like a triangle shaped thing with 5 holes to hold it all together. And it's just basically all I did. Real easy to make. It might take some time though. And because I'm going to be keeping this, I glued it all together. So, hope you enjoyed my Balisong butterfly knife.